everyone. I Nirupa Kujur, a trainee of Silingri Tarai B.Ed College, second semester. My method subject is English. Today I would like to tell a short story written by Andrew Burton Peterson. The name of the short story is The Cat, and it is taken from class 10 West Bengal board. It is lesson number 7. The Cat, Andrew Burton Peterson. First of all, I want to tell about the writer Andrew, who was born on 1864 and died on 1941. He was an Australian poet, journalist, and author who wrote extensively on Australian life. His notable works include Waltzing Motley Da and The Man from Snowy River. This was the about author. Okay, now The Cat. This is a short story. Let's read something about this text. The text describes in a minute the daily activities of cats. The humorous narrative tasks us into the world of cats and indicates to us that they may not be the gentle and tamed creatures that we take them for. In this short story, Andrew Burton Peterson describes the activities of a cat, a pet, where this is a pet where every people liked to keep at our home, and whatever activities, whatever attention the cat need, whatever that cat do in a house or in front of any guest, that all activities and how the cat behave, characters the cat shows, we will talk about that. The Andrew Peterson describes all the things in this short story. So let's read. Unit 1. Most people thinking that the cat is an unintelligent animal, fond of ease and caring little for nothing but mice and milk. Some people, or most of the people, they think that cat is a foolish or unintelligent animal or a pet. Just we think that cat need milk or mice, but it is not like that. But a cat has more character than most human beings and gets a great deal more satisfaction out of life. But not only the cat needs mice or a milk, but cat has also a special character to attract a people towards towards cat, and it has a character with a attraction towards himself or her. He or she is an athlete, an acrobat, and a grim fighter. Acrobat means one who entertains through difficult physical movements, and grim means serious. That means a cat is called acrobat, which shows physical activities by fighting. By grimming. Grimming means fight. All day long the cat loops about the house, takes things easy, and allows himself to be pestered by attention of the people in the house. Pestered means trouble. The cat, who is he or she, that loops around the house means goes here and there, sit here and there, and it sits with guest people and roam around with many trouble. Like many people at house or guests who come to our house, they don't like the cat, but the cat trouble and take the attention of it. To pass the time away, he sometimes watches a mouse hole for an hour or two, just to keep himself from dying of boredom. People get this idea that this sort of thing is all that holds life for a cat. Sometimes, if the cat is not paid attention, the cat goes to the mouse hole for a mouse or a mice. Uh, but some people think that they have the idea that the cat is simply a pet who doesn't know anything and don't have any character or nothing that cat can do. But watch him as the shades of evening fall. You can see the cat as he real is. But whenever we pay concentration or attention to the cat, we can see the character, how he or she behave. We can see their behavior, character, and caring love for each other. Unit 2. When the family sits down to tea, the cat puts in an appearance to get his share. At evening time, in every house, we sit for a tea. At that time, the cat also comes and shows the attention that he or she is also there at house. He purrs noisily and rubs himself against the legs of the family members. Purrs means making sound. Slowly, the cat comes and makes sound and goes near the legs or near the family members, rub itself her body and shows that she is also there or he is also there. If there is a guest at the table, the cat is particularly civil to him because the guest is likely to have the best of what is offered. But when at home the guest comes and the cat, he or she sees that a guest is there and the guests are offered many different kinds of food to have or to eat, that time the cat also need that. But some guests, they think that these things, this delicious food are for them itself, not for the cat. Sometimes instead of giving him something to eat, the guest stoops down and strokes the cat and says, poor pussy, poor pussy. Stoop means bends. Sometimes after seeing that cat is also there and delicious food is also there, but the guests think that that food is only for them. At that time they just touch the pussy cat and they just murmur that poor pussy, poor pussy. The cat soon tries off that, but the cat always tries that he or she also should get that delicious food or care or love. He puts up his claw and quietly but firmly racks the guest in the leg. Again and again, that cat comes to the legs of a guest and rakes. Rakes means scratches with her body. Oh, say the guest. The cat stuck his claws into me. The delighted family remarks, isn't it sweet of him? Isn't he intelligent? He wants you to give him something to eat. At that time, the guest says, "Oh," means the cat is telling that I am also here. That time, the family members, some of the family members, they will remark that, isn't it the sweet of it? The cat is, isn't it intelligent cat? He wants you to give something to eat. That means cat is asking something to eat. The guest dares not do what he would like to do, kick the cat out of the window. But the guest, they are not loving and caring for the cat. They think that the cat should be thrown out of the window. So with tears of rage and pain in his eyes, he affects to be very much amused and sorts out a bit of fish from his plate and hands it down. After hearing that things or behaving of the guest, the cat goes out slowly and with tears in his eyes. The cat gingerly receives it with a look in his eyes that says, another time, my friend, you won't be so slow to understand. Gingerly means carefully. When the cat is sent out, the cat thinks that carrying tears in his eyes and think that next time maybe I will be getting that food. He purrs as he retires to safe distance from the guest booth before eating his food. That means slowly the cat goes from far away from the guest, and by making sound and thinks that that food I will not get, so I will be away of that. So that's all for today. Thank you.